Hello everyone, welcome to Morningmate. My name is Kate, and in today's video I am thrilled to introduce you to your new workspace. Let's get started. So this is your Morningmate's homepage. This is the first thing that you will see once you log into your Morningmate, and this will be your new workspace. So in this video I would like to take a quick overlook of all of the features and buttons that this page has, and later on in the next videos we will dive deep into each one of them. But for now, let's just click on your top right corner on your profile picture, and let's go directly to my settings. And in this part, you can change the information of your account, such as your name, your phone number, your email. You can also reset your password with this button right here, or leave a status message for your teammates to see. In the notifications tab, you can adjust the type of notifications that you want to receive, if any at all. You can also use the do not disturb feature if you don't want to be disturbed during your weekends. Also, this is very useful for when you have your vacations or you are on leave. But you can also adjust the hours. So also, if you don't want to get any notifications after office hours, you can adjust it in here. And also you have the email notification, meaning that you will not only receive important notifications through your Morningmate, but also through a double alert on your email. And this works perfectly for when somebody mentions you, when there's a new task assigned to you, for all of those alerts that you do not want to miss. Next, we have display. Here's when you can play with the appearance of your Morningmate. It can be dark or light. You can set your home screen as My Projects or the dashboard. You can select the project colors in which they will be created, if it's going to be plain white or you want it to be random as the rainbow. And also you have the favorite project. You can enable this option so that you can select favorite projects and make them appear on the top of your list. Next, we have security. We have the auto logout feature. So this is perfect for people like me, basically. It's perfect for when you leave the office and you forgot to log out. So in here you can select the amount of hours of inactivity after which your Morningmate will log out automatically. And here we have the device management history. Next, we have the integrations. So you can integrate your Zoom, your Microsoft Teams, and your Google Calendar. This is perfect because all the information gets synced, and that way you don't really have to double check the information or get into a separate app to start these running. Lastly, we have the language, where you can choose your favorite language. Next to the profile icon, we have the notifications icon. So if we click on those, we can see the unread ones, and we have all the notifications that you have received so far. Next, we have the chat icon. So in here you see all of your active chats so far. Or you can start a new chat by looking on your contacts and selecting one from the list. These contacts are the ones that belong to your organizational chart. And next we have the organizational chart, which is the structure of your company. And you can find all of the members in here. You can also make use of the search bar. This is if you're dealing with a million of projects and you need a quick search. You can search by projects, articles, comments, or files, and find whatever you're looking for much faster. This is the overall general view of your project rooms, and you can view them as icons or as a list, whichever you prefer. And you can also select the settings for each one of these projects. So we click on settings, and then we select the project to be able to change its color. For instance, I want to change it to blue. You can add it to a project's folder. You can adjust its notifications. So keep in mind that these will only be applied to the selected project. You can receive notifications, or you can mute them. You can select the option that every time that somebody mentions you, you will get a notification, or the same happens with the comments. Is it every time that everybody makes a comment, or is it just when the comment involves you? You can select all of these in this area right here, but it will only be applied to this selected project. And lastly, you can hide this project away. You do not delete it because it may contain important information, but you can hide it so that it doesn't disturb the overall view. And lastly, we have our sidebar menu. So in here, you will see the logo of your company. With this button, you can create a new project. Here you can jump directly to your dashboard. You can view the public projects. You can see the unlabeled notifications. You can see the unread ones. You can see the start ones, the start projects. So this will be your selected favorite project. And you can also go to your hidden projects. Then we have the tab of View. This will give you a generalized view of your tasks, your calendar, your files, your mentions, your posts, your saved drafts. Then we have the recently updated list. So first will come the most recently updated project, and lastly, the one that hasn't been. And then we have the project folders. So as you can see, this is a very intuitive space, and it will help you improve your productivity and your team's overall collaboration in a very couple simple few steps. And I really hope to see you in the next video so that we can deep dive into all of these features and you can master the use of your Morningmate. Bye bye.